In this episode of our real estate reality series, we're taking you on a tour of PH Velure in El Cangrejo. We'll show you a 2-bedroom furnished apartment, some of the building amenities, a bit on accessibility, and take you on a quick driving tour of the neighborhood. Welcome to PH Velure. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. This 23-story building has 2 towers and 3 apartments per floor. Let's take a look at one of their 2-bedroom units. As soon as you enter the apartment, there's a half bath to the right of the front door. Past the half bath, you'll find the kitchen. It's a long kitchen with decent counter space, a lot of cabinets, nooks for your glassware, a gas stove, double sinks, windows, and the laundry and maid's quarter or storage room can be found at the end of the kitchen. Next, we have the dining and living room. There are 2 ceiling fans, an AC unit, and a balcony that I'll show you later on. There's another area that's being used as an office that has a closet and a window. Right beyond the office, there's a full bathroom. Let's take a look at the first bedroom. It has enough space for a good-sized bed and dresser. It has a ceiling fan and an AC unit, and a closet with shelving. The second bedroom can accommodate a king-size bed. It has a ceiling fan, AC unit, additional closet space, a walk-in closet, and a full bathroom that has a window. Now, let's head over to the balcony. Here they added grass flooring and it has a view of part of the neighborhood and the pool. Let's look at the amenities for this building. For the social area, they have a pool, racquetball, a party room, a gym, a lounge, a pets park, a kids zone, and a baby's room. This is a really large social area, and I like that they have a water station next to the gym. The gym is a good size with your basic equipment. The pool is really nice with different sections and it has ample lounge and seating areas. They have bathrooms and a ping pong table next to the baby room. If you're in a wheelchair, the front entrance has a ramp and a railing, but like most buildings here in Panama, you might need help opening the door to the lobby. The apartment doors vary. I think the front doors, kitchen, and bedroom doors are wide enough if you're in a wheelchair or use a walker, but the bathroom doors are going to be a tight fit, if a fit at all. I didn't see any hand railings for the pool. Now, this was one of my friend's apartments, so I don't know what they were paying for rent, but in June, I found a listing here for an unfurnished 3-bedroom that was listed for $1,850. Remember, the unit in this video is a 2-bedroom, and you can always try to negotiate your rent. Before we take a quick drive around the neighborhood, they have a 24-hour AM/PM convenience store attached to the building. Now, let's take a look at the neighborhood. I want to give a special shout out to all the channel members and those who have donated via Buy Me a Coffee and PayPal. Thank you so much. Your support means more than you will ever know. If you enjoyed this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.